Hello and welcome to Programming in C for Beginners. I'm Amit Kumar and this is the second tutorial, Programming Terminologies. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about few terms which are related to programming. So let's start. The first term is program, and we have discussed about this term in our previous tutorial as well. Well, program is nothing but set of instructions given to computer to perform some specific task. So whenever we want to perform some specific task, we want the computer to perform some specific task, we actually give instructions to computer. And we give instructions together. It's not like we give one instruction at a time, though we can do that, but that would be very time taking. So what we do, we store these set of instructions together, and that collection of instruction is nothing but program. Now what is programming? Now programming is nothing but the process of creating program. So if we are writing set of instructions together and forming a program, we are actually doing programming. Now programmer. Programmer is a person who performs programming. The person who writes set of instructions to create program is known as programmer. Now what is a software? Collection of related programs for a specific task is a software. So don't get overwhelmed with so many terms. They are very meaningful actually. So when we write set of instructions together and we keep them together and store them in the computer, the form in which we store them is nothing but a program. Now the person who actually stored that program or who stored that set of instructions in a program was the programmer. The programmer was performing programming while he was writing that set of instructions. And these set of programs that the programmer have created will actually form a software. So you will understand it with the next slide, so don't worry. So we need to create software, right? So hence to create a software, we need to create programs. So if we want to create a software, we need to create related programs. Of course, we need to know how to create a program. So to create programs, we need to provide collection of instructions. So if we want to create a program, we need to provide some set of instructions together. And to provide instruction, what we need to do? So to create an instruction for the computer, we need a language, we need a medium to communicate with the computer. Just like we need a medium to communicate with each other, similarly, we need a medium to communicate with computer. Okay? So the language that is used to communicate with the computer or the language that is used to instruct computer is known as programming language. So in this slide, in this tutorial, we have seen some of the terminology, some of the terms related to program, and we come up with the conclusion that if we want to give instructions to the computer, if we want to create program in the computer, we need a medium, and that medium is nothing but a programming language. So let's see what are the various programming languages. So there are different programming languages available to provide instructions to the computer. So there are plenty of programming languages available there, out of which I have listed here some of them, which are C, C++, Java, C#, PHP, HTML, JavaScript, etc. And there are plenty of others. Don't just stick with these languages as I have mentioned there in the slide. I have mentioned some of the few famous languages and some of the languages whose courses would be available soon out there. So there are plenty of other languages available in the market, and we can choose according to our need. So these are the various programming languages which we can use to instruct computer. So that marks the end of this tutorial. Hope to meet you in the next tutorial. Till then, thank you and happy programming.